Engine oil and water are fundamentally incompatible. They do not blend, and when moisture infiltrates the engine's lubrication system, the consequences can be both immediate and long-term, particularly in vehicles designed with high-precision tolerances and performance in mind. Engine oil serves a critical role, not only in lubrication but also in cooling, sealing, and protecting internal components from wear and corrosion. When water contaminates the oil, this delicate balance is compromised. Water and moisture within the oil system fosters internal corrosion, especially in vehicles that are driven infrequently or stored in humid environments. This corrosion undermines the integrity of precision-machined parts, shortening the engine's lifespan and jeopardizing the investment made in vehicle. In high-performance engines, even trace amounts of moisture can lead to increased friction, inadequate lubrication, and ultimately, accelerated wear of internal components such as camshafts, bearings, and cylinder walls. Over time, this contamination can trigger engine warning systems, reduce efficiency, and in severe cases, lead to catastrophic mechanical failure. 9CIRCLE EXT35 is expertly formulated to address this exact concern. By breaking down and dispersing moisture contamination within the oil system, it restores proper lubrication and prevents internal corrosion. This treatment ensures your engine operates with the smoothness, power, and reliability it was designed to deliver, preserving the exquisite craftsmanship and mechanical harmony of your vehicle.